Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the world of apple cider vinegar. Yep, that bottle sitting in your pantry has some incredible health benefits you might not even know about. So let's get right into it and unlock the secrets of apple cider vinegar. First up, let's talk about digestion. Apple cider vinegar has been known to improve digestion by increasing stomach acidity, which helps break down food more efficiently. A little bit of ACV in water before meals can help keep your digestive system on track and reduce bloating. Pretty cool, right? Next, ACV is a rock star when it comes to balancing blood sugar levels. Several studies have shown that consuming apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity, which is especially important for folks with type 2 diabetes. Just a tablespoon or two in water before meals can help keep those blood sugar spikes in check. Simple and effective. Let's not forget about weight management. Apple cider vinegar can help you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce your overall calorie intake. This happens because ACV slows down the rate at which food leaves your stomach, helping you stay satisfied. But remember, it's not a miracle weight loss cure, it's just one handy tool in a balanced diet. Now, for those of you looking to boost your immune system, ACV might be your new best friend. It's packed with beneficial bacteria and acetic acid, which have antimicrobial properties. This means it can help fend off harmful pathogens and keep your immune system strong. A healthier you is just a sip away. And guess what? Apple cider vinegar can also benefit your skin and hair. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a great natural remedy for acne and dandruff. Just remember to dilute it with water before applying, as it's pretty strong on its own. Your skin and hair will thank you. So, how do you incorporate this tangy elixir into your daily routine? Well, you can start by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drinking it before meals. You can also add it to your favorite salad dressings, marinades, and even smoothies for an extra health boost. Just a quick note of caution. Always dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming, as it's highly acidic and can damage your tooth enamel and throat if taken undiluted. And as always, consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. All right, folks, that's it for today's video. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile and powerful addition to your health regimen. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.